Hi, my name is Kavin from FTC 21351. In this video, I'll present you with a small design challenge as a benchmark for all you've learned so far. Then, I'll go through and show you how I would approach this challenge. For this challenge, your goal is to design a simple phone stand that could hold a smartphone at an angle. This challenge is small, practical, and uses all the key CAD tools you've learned so far. Plus, it's exactly the kind of design thinking you use in FTC when creating custom brackets or mounts. For the remainder of the video, I'm going to show you how I would approach designing a phone stand. Go ahead and create a new Onshape document called Mini Design Challenge. Just like always, begin with a sketch on the top plane. I'll hide the other two planes because we won't be using them in this design. Draw your base profile of the stand, a simple rectangle. The dimensions of a phone are around 150 by 72 millimeters, so make it slightly bigger to accommodate. 160 by 80 should be fine. Next, we're going to use the extrude tool to give your base some thickness. Something like 5 to 8 millimeters works well. I'll go with 6. Then I'll use the plane tool to create a plane which will make the stand itself. For this, I'll use the line angle option in the plane tool. I'm going to have the stand at 30 degrees. Then I'll create a sketch to the same dimensions as the first one and align it to the base. I'm going to extrude this at 6 millimeters. The next step is to create supports to hold up this part. I'm going to sketch columns and extrude them to join up with the rest of the part. To determine how long each column will need to be, I'll project the top edge of the 30-degree plane. Then I'll make 10 millimeter columns on each edge to the length of the projected line. I'm going to use the up to face tool to remove any extra extrusions. Lastly, I'll make an extrusion on this place to stop the phone from falling. On the 30-degree plane, I'll create a sketch, which is 6 millimeters thick, and I'll extrude it by 8 millimeters because that's how tall the phone is. See, that's how I would design a phone stand on Onshape. See you guys in the next video.